It's hard to deny how much Samsung is stealing the spotlight lately with its leaks. Because yes, we have a ton of new and very interesting design leaks from the Galaxy S22 series that leave very little to the imagination. A new report confirms some specifications for the OnePlus 10 Pro, and we also got a leaked launch date. And if you're worried about the notch staying for the iPhone 14, new reports keep mentioning that it'll be gone. I'm Jaime Rivera. First of all, Merry Christmas. I know I took some days off for a reason. And let us know what tech you got as a gift, if any, or how many. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by MediaTek. The official news today begin with none other than Motorola. I know the latest couple of Razrs haven't been the best, despite them being the ones that brought back the clamshell format, but it looks like they don't want to stop. Now we have a new report from Android Authority claiming that the Razr 3 is in the works, and it was actually spotted by a Motorola executive who has confirmed it, and actually made some promises by saying it'll be a significant upgrade to the latest generation Razr 5G. I know it kind of sounds like something any company executive would get fired for, but wait, there's more. He wrote on Weibo that they're silently preparing this foldable with a more advanced chip, computing power, a better interface, and a more atmospheric appearance. He also revealed that this phone will be originally launched in China, but eventually make it overseas. Now, do I have to break it to him, or can somebody explain to him what silently preparing means? And let's just hope that they also bring the price tag to Galaxy Z Flip 3 level. Now moving on, let's talk about iPhones and a new report that sounds semi-official at this point, since so many sources seem to agree. Let's just hope it doesn't go the Apple Watch route. Earlier this month, we talked about how the new Pro iPhones would bring a punch hole display, with LG being the main supplier, and now we have a new report claiming that Samsung will be supplying all of the punch hole cutout displays for the iPhone 14 Pro, and then LG will do it for the Pro Max devices. Both of these would bring the same specifications with LTPO technology, with the main difference being their size. I just kind of find it weird that they're choosing LG instead of Samsung for the most expensive iPhones, specifically because of LG's track record with OLED panels on smartphones. Now, for those of you wondering, there's also multiple rumors claiming that the Mini will finally die in favor of an iPhone 14 Max, rocking a 6.7-inch display along with the regular 14 at 6.1, but they reportedly won't bring a high refresh rate, and they'll most likely bring a notch. So yeah, I wouldn't get my hopes up all the way right now, since we're pretty far from September. Now let's switch on to OnePlus and the 10 series, or the 10 Pro rather, since we haven't gotten any word of the regular device. For starters, we have a couple of confirmed specifications from Pete Lau himself, saying that this phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and it'll feature an LTPO 2.0 display, which sounds great, but we don't really know anything about LTPO in this new variation. That said, Pete did confirm that Samsung is the one developing this technology for the OnePlus 10 Pro, though he didn't say specifically. Now, in case you're wondering, it's tipped to bring a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display, but moving on to launch dates, GSM Arena spotted that the OnePlus 10 Pro can already be reserved on JD.com, and it appears to be set for pre-orders on January 4th, which is reportedly the date the phone will be launching in China. Sadly, we don't know when it'll be available in other markets, but this is crazy early for a OnePlus phone, as typically, they happen in May, but we'll see how it goes. The question now is, who's excited? And before we get to the hottest news and today's question, here's a word from today's sponsor, MediaTek. Did you know that their technology powers devices like Amazon's Echo? Yep, it's powered by the MediaTek MT8512, which is matched by Amazon's unique AZ1 Neural Edge processor. This is what enables all the smart improvements we've seen for its voice service, in addition to its rich sound and lossless HD audio, the far-field communication that lets the speaker pick up the wake word from afar, and also the brains to interact with other Echoes, your Fire TV stick, and other Amazon peripherals. It also brings improved features like routines, new privacy controls, etc. Of course, you can find it on Amazon in the first link of the description, and in the second link you can learn more about why brands like Amazon trust MediaTek. Thank you for sponsoring this video. And finally, for the hottest news today, let's talk about Samsung and the Galaxy S22 series, as the leaks have been seriously piling up for the past week. Starting off with dummy units, there are a ton, and I mean a ton, of hands-on images going around showing off the three devices. And that's great, but now we have new ones from GSM Arena showing off the difference in the device's footprint. And you can also tell that instead of the matte metal accent we got early this year, the regular models now bring a glossy camera hump. They also posted a picture of the three different Ultras side by side, and it looks like the new one is about the same size as the previous generation, but you can definitely tell the resemblance to the Galaxy Note on this one. Now, speaking on the Ultra, a tweet from Ice Universe shows screenshots claiming that the 108 megapixel mode in the S22 Ultra brings a new button which serves for AI detail enhancement. After using it, your photos would have more details, colors, and brightness than the regular 108 megapixel sensor. He also said previously that the sensor has been refined, so we should expect improvements. Last but not least, there's also a leaked poster showing the S22 Ultra with an S Pen next to the Galaxy S21, and can I say, I am glad Mystic Bronze is making a comeback. So, as we get closer to the end of the year, let us know in the comments today, are you excited by this S22 series? Because I am. I like it, but I love my Z Fold 3. So it's going to be really hard for me to move away from that, but we'll see. That's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow us on social medias. Our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me take some days off for Christmas because I needed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.